was running on empty, chasing my own light, lost in the noise, couldn't tell wrong from right. Every step I took just led me astray, till your mercy found me in the middle of my shame. Not by my strength, not what I've done, but by your love I overcome. Grace, you pulled me from the deep when I was too far gone to reach. Love so wide it covers all my ways. I stand in awe, I stand amazed, unearned but freely given. You tore the veil, you opened heaven. Now my life will sing by your grace. In a world that measures worth by what we own, you called me chosen, said I'm not alone. You rewrote my story with a single touch, turned my broken pieces into something more than enough. You saw my past, yet called me yours. Your mercy opened every door. Holy, holy is your name. All the glory, all the praise, I lay it down before your throne. Every breath is yours alone. No striving, no pretending. Your love has no ending. I'm held within your truth. I'm alive because of you. Grace upon grace, you never let go. Even in weakness, your power still shows. Grace, you lifted up my soul, made this shattered heart whole. King of kings, forever I will say, all I am is yours today. Grace, my anthem through the ages, written on my heart in sacred pages. Let my life reflect your ways, all for you, all for grace. Grace of God, forever I will stand.